Are you tired of greasy meals that leave you feeling sluggish? If you're looking to enjoy your favorite fried foods without all the guilt, an air fryer might be just what you need. But with so many models on the market, choosing the right one can be overwhelming. In this video, we'll uncover the best air fryers of 2025, showcasing those that deliver deliciously crispy results while keeping your kitchen mess-free. Whether you're a health-conscious cook or a busy parent, we've got the perfect air fryer for you. As always, you can find pricing information for each product in the description below. If you find this video helpful, give it a like, leave a comment, and be sure to subscribe. So without further ado, let's get started with the video. Number 5. Ninja DZ071 Foodie Flex Basket Air Fryer. The Ninja DZ071 Foodie Flex Basket Air Fryer is a versatile kitchen appliance designed for modern cooking needs, particularly appealing for families and cooking enthusiasts. This 6-in-1 air fryer can air fry, broil, bake, dehydrate, roast, and reheat, making it suitable for a wide range of meal preparations. It boasts a generous 7-quart capacity, allowing you to cook large proteins or complete meals in one go, which is perfect for busy households. One standout feature of this model is its dual-zone technology, which allows you to cook 2 different foods simultaneously. The removable divider enables you to use the entire space efficiently, either for one large item or for 2 smaller dishes that require different cooking times and temperatures. The sync feature ensures both zones finish cooking at the same time, making meal preparation seamless. The air broil function provides a crispy finish to your dishes, reaching temperatures up to 450 degrees, while the 2 heating fans work together to cook food 40% faster than traditional ovens. Additionally, the non-stick crisper plates and the air fryer basket are dishwasher safe, simplifying cleanup. In terms of pricing, the Ninja DZ071 Foodie Flex Basket Air Fryer is available for approximately $149.99. This combination of functionality, capacity, and ease of use makes it a compelling option for anyone looking to enhance their cooking experience. With positive reviews highlighting its efficiency and versatility, this air fryer is well regarded as a reliable kitchen companion. Number 4. Ninja 4-Quart Air Fryer. The Ninja 4-Quart Air Fryer is an innovative kitchen appliance designed to make healthy cooking quick and efficient. This air fryer features a 4-quart ceramic-coated non-stick basket, allowing you to cook up to 2 LABs of French fries with up to 75% less fat compared to traditional frying methods. With a wide temperature range of 105 degrees to 400 degrees, it not only air fries but also roasts, bakes, reheats, and dehydrates food, making it a versatile addition to any kitchen. One of the standout features of the Ninja Air Fryer is its ability to ensure even circulation of hot air, resulting in quick, crispy, and golden finishes for your meals. The smart processor automatically adjusts fan speeds based on the selected cooking function, enhancing cooking efficiency. This is particularly useful for those who enjoy creating homemade snacks, as the low fan speed and temperature combination allows for thorough dehydration, producing flat, chip-like snacks. Cleaning the Ninja Air Fryer is hassle-free, thanks to its dishwasher-safe parts, including the basket and crisper plate. This convenience is a significant advantage for busy families looking to minimize cleanup time after meals. As for the pricing, the Ninja 4-Quart Air Fryer is typically available for around $99.99, although prices may vary depending on the retailer. With its impressive features and functionality, this air fryer is an excellent choice for anyone looking to simplify their cooking process while still enjoying delicious, healthy meals. Number 3. Breville Smart Oven Air Fryer. The Breville Smart Oven Air Fryer is an exceptional kitchen appliance that combines versatility, convenience, and high performance. Priced at $349.95, this multifunctional oven features 11 smart cooking functions, including air fry, which allows you to prepare crispy and delicious meals with less oil. The Element IQR system intelligently adjusts the heat to where it's needed most, ensuring even cooking and reducing cold spots. One of the standout features is the super convection technology, which enhances air circulation, cooking food up to 30% faster while achieving a crispier texture. This oven accommodates a variety of cooking styles, including toasting 6 slices of bread, baking pizzas, and roasting a 49 lb turkey, thanks to its generous 1 cubic FT capacity. The intuitive LCD display simplifies the cooking process, allowing users to easily select from the available functions. Additionally, the integrated oven light enhances visibility, making it easy to monitor your meals. With a power output of 1800 watts, it can reach temperatures from 80 degrees Celsius to 480 degrees Celsius, making it suitable for everything from slow cooking to high-heat air frying. The Breville Smart Oven Air Fryer also includes several accessories, such as an air fry basket, a broiling rack, and a pizza pan, enhancing its value as a complete cooking solution. This appliance is ideal for those looking to save counter space by replacing multiple devices, and user reviews highlight its ease of use and performance. Whether you're a seasoned chef or just starting in the kitchen, the Breville Smart Oven Air Fryer is an investment that promises to elevate your cooking experience. Number 2. Cosori TurboBlaze Air Fryer. The Cosori TurboBlaze Air Fryer is an impressive kitchen appliance designed to elevate your cooking experience. With a capacity of 6 quarts, this air fryer is perfect for families, easily accommodating meals for 3 to 5 people. It boasts a DC motor technology that enables cooking up to 46% faster than traditional air fryers with AC motors, making meal prep quicker and more efficient. Equipped with 9 cooking functions, including air frying, roasting, baking, broiling, dehydrating, and more, the TurboBlaze is versatile enough to handle a wide array of culinary tasks. Its temperature range spans from 90 degrees Fiof to 450 degrees Celsius, 30 degrees C to 230 degrees C, and you can set cooking times from 1 minute to 24 hours, allowing for complete control over your cooking process. One of its standout features is the 5 fan speeds that help maintain optimal moisture levels in your food, ensuring even cooking results. Cleanup is a breeze as the non-stick basket and crisper plate are dishwasher safe, eliminating the hassle of hand washing. Safety is also a priority with this air fryer, as it includes an automatic shutoff feature that activates when the basket is removed during cooking or if overheating occurs. Additionally, the angled control screen makes it user-friendly, letting you easily adjust settings and view cooking progress. The Cosori TurboBlaze Air Fryer is available for approximately $119.99. With its blend of speed, capacity, and features, this air fryer is an excellent choice for anyone looking to streamline their cooking without compromising on flavor or health. Number 1. Instant Pot Vortex Plus 6-Quart Air Fryer. The Instant Pot Vortex Plus 6-Quart Air Fryer is a versatile kitchen appliance that combines speed, efficiency, and convenience, making it an excellent addition for any modern household. This 6-in-1 air fryer allows you to air fry, roast, broil, bake, reheat, and dehydrate your favorite foods, offering great flexibility for various cooking styles. With Even Crisp TM technology, it ensures crispy and tender results while using up to 95% less oil, promoting healthier meal options. One of its standout features is the Clear Cook window, which lets you monitor your food without interrupting the cooking process. Additionally, the appliance comes with 6 customizable cooking programs for easy one-touch operation of recipes like wings, roasted veggies, and even desserts like cinnamon buns. It heats up quickly with little to no preheating time, taking you from frozen to golden in just minutes. The air fryer has a non-stick, dishwasher-safe basket and tray for easy cleaning, enhancing its user-friendly design. Its adjustable temperature range of 95 degrees Celsius to 400 degrees Celsius accommodates a variety of cooking needs, and with a capacity of 6 quarts, it's perfect for serving 4 to 6 people. Safety features such as overheat protection TM and an auto-off function add peace of mind while cooking. The Instant Pot Vortex Plus is currently priced around $119.99 to $139.99, depending on the retailer. Overall, the Instant Pot Vortex Plus is a must-have kitchen appliance for those looking to prepare quick, delicious, and healthier meals. Its combination of advanced features and user-friendly design makes it suitable for both novice and experienced cooks alike. Yumini